Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's July 25th, 2024, and today I want to give you an update on our Kubota ZD1211 zero-turn mower. It happens to be a diesel-powered tractor and all. And I purchased this, I think 3 years ago now, from Blazy's in Palmyra, New York. That's Palmyra, New York. This mower has been absolutely fantastic. It has basically the same motor that the RTV has, the Suzuki, Kubota tractor, and our B2601 small tractor. A diesel motor, very powerful, 72-inch wide cut, cuts beautifully. It's got a hydraulic deck on it, and I did a whole introduction video. I'll try to remember to put a link to it on our channel. But this has been absolutely fantastic. I'll just walk around it real quick so you can get an idea of the unit. Really works very well. The seat on it is very comfortable, although it's a pretty bouncy ride on our property. That's our issue, not the mower's issue. Most people's lawns aren't like ours. And it's been real easy to maintain and take care of. However, there is something that I would call almost a fatal flaw with the mower deck itself. And I'll go over that now. So, like I mentioned, it's got a hydraulic lift on the deck. So if I want to raise the deck, I press this. If I want to lower the deck, I press that. So that's absolutely fantastic. But one thing that happens is the front casters on this, they have a linch pin. So this is a linch pin that goes through the top of these. There's a couple of spacers here so people can adjust the height that they want it to go at. But these linch pins come off. And it only came off twice on me, twice in one day. But it ended up doing a lot of damage. So when it first came off, I was able to find another linchpin, but I wasn't able to find a bolt because I could see that this would be a problem. So we're on bumpy ground, there's brush, things I'm going up under, big berry bushes and all. And so I think the linchpin got pulled off, and when this started to go down into one of our uneven spots on the property, it got caught up in the mower deck. So this is the yoke that holds the caster, if you can see. Right there, that's what it looks like. The linchpin came out of the top of it, and this got caught up. It got completely chewed by the center spindle. And so here's the shroud, went right through the shroud. Now these are real light and replaceable. The spindle housing here completely destroyed, to give you an idea about it. So that was an issue. So to prevent that from happening to you, I would say, if you have any uneven ground at all, or if you want to learn from my mistakes, remove the linch pins, put a bolt with a nylon lock nut on it, and if you're not adjusting your this is if you don't need to adjust the height of those casters from time to time. I don't need to. It works real well. When it happened, I thought I had gone over a rock, which is not uncommon, so I raised the deck, but it was really caught up in that central spindle with the shroud that goes, the mulching device, that circular device underneath it around the mower there, and it just got caught up. And by the time I got it turned off, and it really just took a few seconds to destroy the spindle housing there. So a costly learning lesson. So hopefully you folks can learn from that. So I'm going to go and see. I haven't had it out yet. I've been working on the pond. Blazy's did come and pick it up for me because I'm just too busy right now to repair it myself. They came, picked it up. It was the holiday weekend, July 4th weekend, and it was the next week I ended up getting it back. It was a pretty quick repair, but I got to really say, really good that you've got a service department that can respond well and meet your needs. That was really fantastic. So I don't enjoy mowing the lawn, so I'm going to go out there and start some of it. It usually takes me a few days. When it's this tall, some of it's real tall. Some of it's pretty low. The deer have been in here, and all the geese have been eating in here. So this area isn't bad, but in some places it's you know, like over 2 feet tall. So I'm going to get on the mower, do a little bit of mowing. I may shoot a little bit of video of me out there mowing, and there'll be some songs, if there are, about why I don't like mowing and about Buzz. So that's it for this video. I hope you find it entertaining. And think about this if you've got one of these zero-turn mowers. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and have a good day. Bye-bye now.
We are blessed to live in paradise, with sunny skies and trees so nice. But there's one thing that gets me down. It's mowing this darn lawn all around. No, I don't like mowing my lawn. I'd rather see wildflowers at dawn. It takes too much time, and it's such a chore. But here I am on Buzz, my zero-turn mower. I'd love a meadow with flowers and bees, dancing in the breeze beneath the trees. But every now and then, without fail, I find myself on this grass trail. No, I don't like mowing my lawn. I'd rather see wildflowers at dawn. It takes too much time, and it's such a chore. But here I am on Buzz, my zero-turn mower. Oh, the hum of the engine, the smell of the grass, dreaming of a future where this task is past. With every turn I long to be free, running through fields wild and carefree. But since I have to, I'll do my best. Buzz and I will pass the test. We'll trim the edges neat and clean until my yard's a perfect green. No, I don't like mowing my lawn. I'd rather see wildflowers at dawn. It takes too much time, and it's such a chore. But here I am on Buzz, my zero-turn mower. Maybe one day I'll find a way to let the flowers have their say. But until then, I'll sing this song. 'Cause no, I don't like mowing my lawn.
I wake up in the morning, sun shining down. Gotta take care of this old patch of ground. The grass keeps growing, it don't wait for me. But I'm a mowing man, got my Buzz by my side, you see. I'm a mowing man, cutting grass like I do. With my Kubota zero-turn Buzz and push through. I may not love this chore, but it's got to get done. A man's gotta do what a man's gotta do, son. The wildflowers call me, dancing in the breeze. But the yard keeps on calling, down on my knees. I dream of meadows where the flowers run free. But today it's me and Buzz, just him and me. I'm a mowing man, cutting grass like I do. With my Kubota zero-turn Buzz and push through. I got to get done. A man's gotta do what a man's gotta do, son. Every now and then I let it grow a bit wild. Give those daisies and clover a chance to smile. But the time comes round when it's time to tame. The grass keeps calling my name. I ride with Buzz, watching the world spin around, turning tall grass into a level, clean ground. It's not a love story, but it's gotta be done. A mowing man's work is never quite done. I'm a mowing man, cutting grass like I do, with my Kubota zero-turn buzzing boost through. I may not love this shore, but it's got to get done. A man's gotta do what a man's gotta do, son. So here's to the mowing men, the chores that don't quit, riding on Buzz, doing our bit. We may not love the job, but we see it through, 'cause a man's gotta do what a man's gotta do, son.